Do you want to replace the drip tray of your coffee machine? With these steps, you will have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new drip tray. Step 1. Remove the old drip tray. The drip tray is often at the front. Gently pull it forward and take it out. Remove the pulp container. Step 2. Install the new drip tray. Place the pulp container on the new drip tray and slide it into the place of the old drip tray. You have replaced the drip tray and the coffee machine is ready to use again.